Would you believe I was out plowing snow yesterday and today? We set a new record, 8.8 centimeters. It's like, I think it's 3.3 and 3/8 inches of snow. And check this out. I'm going to go in there and have a look. There's a culvert underneath here. And I think I bought a plastic one. Pretty sure plastic. So why would it be doing this? So I brought my flashlight. I'm going to see what's in there. Look at that. Is that what I think it is? Oh my god. That's a black hole. That's the problem. Okay. Well, I guess I'm going to have to patch that. How do you patch a black hole?
Look at the fire. That's like a January fire.
I got the drill press over here in a new location. There's a spot where this crank handle goes. I just pulled it off this morning. I thought it was just broken here. It's also got a crack right there. So there's no repairing this. I still have the handle for it. And I gotta cut out this shape. Kind of rough that out. Bore a couple of holes. And we're gonna be able to use that because it's got that nice offset. It's a little more offset than the original handle, but I should be able to use that piece of aluminum to fabricate a new crank handle. See, it's actually closer than I thought. It's about 1/4 of an inch sticking further out here. Anyway, this is just a piece of scrap, but that's the offset. So we'll continue cutting that. And I use the bandsaw and cut around this little radius here as close as we can. And then maybe do some hand filing. This should be an easy operation. So that's after about 5 or 10 minutes of belt sanding. It's starting to look good. Yeah, I didn't think it would turn out this good, but one of the holes is going to have to remain there. So I just have to drill this hole. I'm pretty sure they're metric. Well, this one's metric. So closest thing this lines up to is 9/16. So we're going to drill it to 9/16. Hopefully it'll fit on there like that. It's a little bit loose in there, but we'll try it, see what happens. I had to move up to the big drill press here. Alright, so that fits. So, really the only thing I got left to do is drill that set screw hole. And I think we're done after that. This hole's been threaded already with an M10 1.5. Whoops. So I don't have a tap this size here, but I got quite a few set screws. I'll go look in my bin. I think that's metric. Maybe it's 6 millimeters, I don't know. Yeah, I have very limited metric stuff here at this shop, even at my home shop. So I'll go find a standard something, see what we got. And that's 1/4 20. It's way longer. It's double the length. But that's going to work. Yeah. So there's the tap. That should be easy to do. I won't show you guys that. I like the idea of using a 1/4 20 because, well, I think it'll work better. Well, everything went well and holes are all tapped. It's on the drill press now, so I just gotta give it a little test. Seems to work fine. Seems way stronger than the original plastic piece of junk. You know, I think the handle's about 1/8 of an inch closer to the table here, but you know, I should have thought of that. I knew this piece was maybe a bit longer, but it's good enough. There's room for my fingers to pass through there. Not my thumb, though. That's alright. That's way better. Another job off the list. I've been waiting for 6 or 7 months to do that job. Little half-an-hour repair. Should be good for a long time. I may put Loctite on these. They vibrate loose. When you're drilling, everything vibrates. So if they come loose, I'll Loctite them next time. For today, that's good enough. Well, the woodpeckers are back.